And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 case to unbox and show you. Inside of this box is a very nice invisible stand black iPhone 15 Pro Max case. You can see here on the back, nice clear back where you can see your iPhone, nice cutout for your cameras, and then the invisible stand that just pops out so you can set your phone like this or like that. You can also use it to help hold your phone or fold it down when you don't want it. Cut out for your charging port and speakers, cut out for your power button, cut out for your volume rockers, and a very nice iPhone 15 Pro Max case with an invisible stand. Special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 case. Inside of this box is an invisible stand iPhone 15 Pro Max case. This one is blue. You can see this like metallic blue color. Very nice color, actually. I really like it. Cut out for your volume rockers, cut out for your power button, speaker grill and charger, camera, nice see-through back where you can see your colors. And then outside of that, you have this invisible stand. Pops right out where you can set your phone like this or like this. And you can also use it to help hold your phone when you don't need it. Just fold it right back into place. Very nice and good looking blue iPhone 15 Pro Max case. And special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us their iPhone 15 Pro Max case to unbox and show you. Inside of this box is a case. Oh, very nice. Wow. So this one looks to be clear, maybe considered silver, but the back of the case, completely clear. You do have a little Alphex logo there. And this one has the included invisible stand. So you can fold this out and use it as a stand either this way or this way. Of course, you can also use it as one of those ring things to help hold your phone. Cut out for the camera, cut out for the speaker grills and the charging port, volume rockers, power button. Very nice feeling case with a really cool invisible kickstand. Special thanks to our friends at this company who are nice enough to send us this iPhone 15 case. Inside of this box is an invisible ring silver iPhone 15 Pro Max case. So very nice clear back. You'd be able to see your phone's color through this with no problems. Nice cutout for your cameras, cutout for your power button, cutout for your volume rockers, charging port and speaker grill. And then the best part, the invisible stand, which just pops right out. And then you can set your phone like this, or even like this, or use it to help hold your phone. And whenever you don't need it, it just folds right back down. A very nice silver, beautiful iPhone 15 Pro Max case. Thanks again to this company. It was nice enough to send this to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.